dito sa aming press con. This means a lot to us.
Time and ayun, sa mag-interview tayo today.
Thank you, Josh. Ken!
Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ako po si Ken. Sa lahat po ng nanonood sa Weavers, hello po sa inyo lahat. And sa lahat po nandito ngayon, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat.
Okay, good afternoon to everyone. My name is Justin, and let's enjoy kung ano man yung may kikwento namin today. And thank you for having me.
Thanks, Justin. Stel?
Hello po, magandang araw po. Pwede ba marinig yung energy niyo today? In 3, 2, 1!
Sa simula, sa hindi po nakakalam, 8 years na po sa SB19. This is our 8th year. Sobrang tagal na po namin magkakasama. And syempre, kapag ganito ka katagal, parang iniisip mo na rin or kinocontemplate mo na rin kung ano ba yung next chapter or matatapos na ba yung group mo o ano ba nang nangyayari sa amin. Pero for us, this is a milestone na nandito na kami ngayon. And we want to celebrate at the same time, look back at everything that we have done kasama yung mga tao na sumusuporta sa atin. Kayo rin po, yung malaking parte ng journey po ng SB19. So,
I think all of our, since it's, di ba, wakas at simula na, it's like a journey from the beginning of SB19. So, technically, we've been preparing for this moment our entire lives. So, yun na siya eh. Kasi we've experienced so many stages, we've experienced so many, let's say, concerts, festivals, and we've represented a lot of times for different types of sabihin natin, scenarios. And through that, and through this album, siguro mas masasabi namin yun na we're not afraid of anything. We're more confident when it comes to presenting the Filipino talent and of course P-pop.
With this kind of collaboration po, syempre, unang-una, we're very happy and we're very blessed na yung ganun kalalaking international artist, yung talagang willing to collaborate with SB19. Kasi, tulad po na sabi niyo, nag-start kami, ang taas na kagad ng pangarap namin, though target talaga namin, mga big artist na talaga. Pero ngayon na dumadating sila, syempre po, parang nasasabi namin, ito na pala talaga yun. Parang we're very happy na pakunti-unti naabot namin yung mga pangarap namin noon na hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin kami naniniwala na naabot na namin siya. And with the album naman po, I think it's the perfect timing na somehow ito yung nagsisemento na nung parang naabot na namin in our lifetime dito sa tinatahak namin as an artist talaga, as SB19. Kasi yun naman talaga yung goal namin is to go global. And ano pa parang other way to parang malaman namin ang maayos yung pangalan ni SB19 and of course ng Pilipinas sa scene to is to also collaborate with mga kilalang artists naman talaga. So, we're very happy and excited to share yung mga tracks na ginawa namin with them sa inyo kasi I think it's not only for us to show yung skills ng SB19 but of course, mapakita rin yung collaboration ng cultures together and mapakita yung kayang maitawid ng musika natin to other countries na talagang willing din to support our country. Yes.